nitrogen containing compounds. Here we are going to study amines. Three type के amines हम पढ़ते हैं. Then we are going to study disodium salts. Okay. Now when we talking of amines, we will study the nomenclature. Okay. We will study the methods of preparation, etc. etc. Okay. Functional groups which contain nitrogen. Okay. And what is this class of compound formed? Class of compound. And what is going to be general formula? Formula. The first group which we are going to do is NH2. NH2. In which NH2 compound is where NH2 functional group is present, then it is compound is formed is called primary amine. Primary amine. And general formula is RNH2. Second is NH. The class of compound is secondary amine, and they have the general formula R2NH. Now here all three hydrogens are substituted by alkyl groups. These are known as tertiary amines, and they have the general formula R3N. So these are going to be the formula of primary, secondary, and tertiary amines. Then we have another class of compounds, C triple bond, which are known as cyanides. Cyanides or nitrates. And they have the general formula RCN. And now, if in this case, we can have the isomers of cyanides over here, which can be the N double bond and coordinate bond with carbon. These are known as isocyanides. And they have the general formula RNC. Then we have nitro compounds. Okay. They are having the function of NO2. They are called nitro compounds. And other compounds are empty except compounds, which are known as diazonium salts. And they have the formula. They are N2 X negative. So all this we are going to study in this chapter. In the first part, we will only study about the amines. Amines. These are generally regarded as derivatives of ammonia. Derivatives of ammonia, which they are derived by replacing 1, 2, or 3 hydrogens of ammonia. Suppose we have NH3 minus H plus R. This is going to give us primary and amine with the formula RNH2. Again, minus H plus R, which is going to give us R2NH secondary, and then again minus H plus R tertiary amine R3N, or it can also give us quaternary salts. That is why they are also known as derivatives of ammonia, as they are derived from ammonia. Then they are found in proteins in the form of amine linkages, CO, NH2, also found in vitamins, also found in hormones. Nitrogen is therefore important component for all the human bodies, and there are many synthetic examples. Polymers, drugs, and we have dyed stuffs. For example, it is present in green. It is anti-malarial drug which is used for the cure of malaria. There are two hormones that are present in the body. Ephedrine. These both are used to increase the blood pressure. Then we have Novocaine. It is used in dentistry. Okay, anesthetic in dentistry. Now then we have codeine. It is used as a pain reliever. Then we have Benadryl cough syrup. This is used as an antihistamine drug. Antihistamine drug. Histamine drug. So we are going to do two types of amines. Okay, first aliphatic. Okay. And second, that is going to be aromatic amines. So let's start first. Aliphatic. Aliphatic amines. These are of three types. The first one is primary amine. Primary amine, which have the formula R NH2. Okay. Then secondary amine R2 R2NH. Then tertiary amine R3N. These are derivatives of ammonia. Okay. The primary amine has only one alkyl group. So example is methylamine or ethylamine and so on. Now, in case of the secondary amines, it has two alkyl groups. To NH. It can be further classified into simple, simple secondary amines, simple secondary. That both, it means that both the alkyl groups attached will be same. In simple secondary amines, both the alkyl groups will be same. It's CH3 and that's CH3. What is mixed? Mixed secondary amines, it means that both the alkyl groups will be different. Okay, like N, CH3, C2, H5, and H. For now, tertiary amines, they have three alkyl groups. They have three alkyl groups attached to nitrogen. Okay, these are also be simple and mixed. In simple, all three alkyl groups will be same. In mixed, they are going to be different. Then we also have another kind of compound over here, which are quaternary compounds. Quaternary compounds. In this, they all are bonded to some elements. For example, we can take the example of NH4I. Okay. So we can get R4 and I. All the four hydrogens are replaced by alkyl group. Form quaternary ammonium iodide. Or we can take an example of CH3 whole 4 and I. This is tetra methyl tetramethyl ammonium iodide. Ammonium iodide. Now structure. Structure. If we take the structure of ammonia, this H. This is the structure of NH3 in a similar manner. If you're taking alkyl amines, they are also going to have the same kind of structure. They will have the structure is R H H. They are having a similar sort of tetrahedral geometry. Secondary amines will also have the same kind of structure. Okay. H, and in the similar manner, tertiary will also have the same type of structure. They are all going to be tetrahedral. And the So here we are taking one example where all the alkyl groups are different. R1, R2, R3. In this particular compound, uh, this is going to form a racemic mixture. Is making a racemic mixture. So this has a tendency of converting into measurements into its mirror image. This is known as amine inversion. This is also known as nitrogen inversion. Another term is also given for this, which is known as flipping. अमीन इन्वर्टरीज ये जो एक कंपाउंड है जिसके साथ तीनों अल्काइल ग्रुप्स अटैच्ड हुए, ये ऑप्टिकली एक्टिव होती है, बट ये रेसिन मिक्सचर की तरह इनएक्टिव रहता है. रीजन इज बिकॉज जो इसका जो मिरर इमेज जो एक दूसरे नैशो में जो है वो वो क्या होता है, फ्लिप हो जाता है इनटू द मिरर इमेज. नेक्स्ट इज नॉमेनक्लेचर. We are going to do three systems of nomenclature. The first one we are going to do is common system of nomenclature. In case of common system of nomenclature, these are going to be named as derivatives of ammonia. They are generally named as alkyl amines. For example, we are taking a simplest kind of amine लेंगे CH3NH2. This is known as methylamine. Or we have C2H5NH2, ethylamine. और अगर हमारे पास है CH3, this is also going to be known as isopropyl. If we are having a secondary simple CH3, this is known as dimethylamine. Or if we have NH, diethyl अमीन. और अगर हमारे पास मिक्स होता है तो हम उसको अल्फाबेटिकली नेमिंग करते हैं. लाइक इफ वी हैव NH, CH3 and C2H5, so it will be ethyl methyl amine. This is the first system of nomenclature, common system. Now for another system, we name it as, we name this amino alkene. For example, we have CH3NH2. This will be named as amino methane. अगर हमारे पास है NH CH3 and CH3, this will be N-methyl amino methane. अगर हमारे पास मिक्स है, दिस इज सिंपल, अगर हमारे पास मिक्स है ऑफ द टाइप NH CH3 and C2H5, in this the longer will be taken as the in this case जो longer वाला होगा that will be taken as the alkane chain and small will be taken as the alkyl. तो इसका नाम आएगा मिथाइल अमीनो ethane and methyl amino ethane. Then the last system of the nomenclature will be IUPAC system. In case of IUPAC, here we will name them as alkene minus E plus amine or alkamanine. Alkene minus E plus amine. Suppose we have CH3NH2. Then it's a methanamine. If we have secondary CH3 NH2 NH CH3, again the normal will be taken as alkane and smaller will be taken as alkyl. So this will be N-methyl methanamine. NH2. If we have cycle, then this is going to be named as cyclohexamine. Cyclohexamine. हमारे पास एक साइक्लिक कंपाउंड है जो कि है सेकेंडरी. The smaller will be taken as the alkyl. And alkyl, 5 carbon atoms are present in the chain. Cyclopentamide. So this is how we name according to the IUPAC nomenclature.